Good morning, dear students. Today in accounts, we will be doing exercise 11 of chapter 1. Last class, we had done the 8th question and the 9th question. And today we will be doing the 11th question. Let me read the question and explain to you the calculation part. And just like in the last sum we did, first we will understand the calculation part, then we will be preparing the respective accounts. Now let us see what is given in the question. Now, in the 11th question, Isha, Saraswati and Lakshmi are the partners sharing profit and loss in the proportion of opening capital. On 1/4/2016, balance of the fixed capital accounts were 40,000, 40,000 and 20,000. So, these balances will go to their capital accounts, credited in their partner's capital account. On the same day, balance of the current accounts were as under: Isha 5,000 credit, Saraswati 4,000 credit and Lakshmi 3,000 debit. So, this will appear in their current accounts respectively. Now, coming to the calculation part. Total drawings of the partners during the year is 20,000. It is in the proportion of 2:1:2. On 30th/6/2016, Isha has lent 3,000 and on 1/10/2016, rupees 2,000 to the firm in the form of loan. On 30th/11/2016, Lakshmi has introduced additional capital of 12,000. So now here we will be calculating first interest on loan of Isha. Isha has lent rupees 3,000 on 1/10/2016 and 2,000 to the firm in the form of loan. So let us see the calculation for interest on loan. Interest on loan to Isha at 6% on rupees 3,000 first, then on 2,000. So 3,000 for 9 months. 9 months because here Isha has lent 3,000 on 1/10/2016. So it is 9 months. So 3,000 into 6% by 9 months gives interest as rupees 135. Next amount what she lends is rupees 2,000, that is 6 months because the date here is 30/11/2016. 30/11. So it is 6 months. So 2,000 into 6% into 6 by 12. It is rupees 60 and the total interest here is rupees 195. So this is the calculation for interest on loan to Isha at 6%. Now, as per the partnership deed, it is suggested to give 10% interest on capital. Second is respectively 800, 500 and 700 are to be recovered as interest on drawings. Provide 8% interest on opening capital of current accounts. And from 1/11/2016, monthly salary of 800 is payable to Isha for her active role in the firm. And rupees 3,500 of divisible profit to be transferred to building fund. So now let us see the calculation for interest on capital for Lakshmi. Lakshmi on rupees 20,000, interest on capital is 10% for the whole year, comes to rupees 2,000. On 12,000 at the rate of 10% for 4 months comes to 400. So the total amount of interest on capital for Lakshmi is rupees 2,400. So here we saw the calculation for interest on loan for Isha, rupees 195. Interest on capital for Lakshmi on 12,000 at the rate of 4 months is 400. 20,000, 10% for the full year is 2,000, coming to the total of 2,400. Profit for the year ending 31st/3/2017 before incorporation of the above mentioned adjustment but after incorporation of the effects of interest on Isha's loan was 20,880. So that we will be adjusting in the appropriation account and we prepare the partner's capital account and current accounts respectively. So here whatever will be the divisible profit, it will be distributed to the partners in the ratio of opening capital, that is 2:1, and the opening and the profit in the P&L appropriation account comes to rupees 20,880. Let us now prepare the partners appropriation, the profit and loss appropriation account, partners capital account and current account. Based on the calculations what we did, let us now see how we can prepare profit and loss appropriation account. Towards the credit side, in the question the information which is given is the profit of the year ending is 20,880. So by profit and loss account, net profit which is there in the question, it is 20,880. So by P&L account, net profit 20,880. Now by interest on drawings account, we also saw the calculation. Isha 800 and Saraswati 500 and Lakshmi 700 comes to 2,000. By interest on current account of Lakshmi 240. So the credit side comes to 23,120. Coming towards the debit side, we also saw the calculation of interest on capital. Isha 4,000, Saraswati 4,000 and Lakshmi 2,400. The total 10,400. Next is to interest on current account. Isha 400, Saraswati 320. The total is 720. Then to salary to Isha is for 5 months. For 1 month 800, to 5 months 4,000. 800 into 5, 4,000. Then to building fund 3,500. These are the information which are already given, that too directly in the question. So we debit. And we have already seen the calculation for interest on capital, interest on drawings and interest on current account. That is already clear to you. And these are the items, that is salary, building fund, are directly given in the question. Then the difference between the debit side and the credit side is your divisible profit, which is distributed among the three partners in their opening capital ratio. And here the opening capital ratio is 2:2:1. 2:2:1. Now let us see the capital accounts and the current accounts of the partners. Now let us see partners capital account. To balance 40,000, 40,000 and 32,000. The balances of partners are given, credit balances and debit balances. Now partners current account, by balance brought down for Isha, Saraswati and Lakshmi. 5,000, 4,000. Interest on capital 4,000, 4,000 and 2,400. Then interest on current account 400, 320. Salary account of Isha 4,000 for 5 months salary. Then appropriation account, divisible profit carried down from divisible profit from P&L appropriation account 1,800, 1,800 and 900. And the balance for Lakshmi 8,640. Now let us see here, to balance brought down, debit for Lakshmi 3,000, drawings account 8,000 and 4,000, interest on drawings 800, 500, 700, interest on current account for Lakshmi 240, balance carried down 6,400, 5,620, and we close the partners current accounts. Now these are almost similar sums whatever we have done, and the other two sums which I have not done, you will be trying for yourself and doing it as homework. So homework for the this chapter is 2 sums. They are the 10th sum and the 12th sum. So homework. Exercise 10 and exercise 12. You will complete this in your notebook. And here we have completed with the first chapter. Next class we will be starting with the fourth chapter. Thank you.